Hello, second graders. We are going to look today at lesson 10.2 math boxes, and the page number is 233. So what we're going to look at first is math box 1. We need to write less than, greater than, or equal to in the space between the two numbers. So you need to read each number and fill in the correct symbol. Remember the point, it points to the smaller number, and the open end gobbles up the big number. The open end goes to the big number. So go ahead and mark those. Okay, coming back to it, I have 1,257 is less than 2,157. 7,925 is greater than 5,297. And 10,129 is greater than 1,129. Scoot that over a little for you. All right, moving on to number 2, circle the answer. $2.88 is closer to, is it closer to $2.80 or $2.90? Thinking about 88 cents. Is 88 closer to 80 or 90? Mark your answer. $5.61. Is it closer to $5.60 or $5.70? And $1.97. Is it closer to $1.90 or $2? So when I go back up and look at this, $2.88 is only 2 cents away from 90 cents, $2.90. So I would circle $2.90. $5.61 is only a penny more than $5.60, so it's definitely closer to $5.60. $1.97 is closer to $2. It's only 3 cents away. Now for number 3, it says to put the heights in order. Find the median height. Remember that median means middle. When you're driving down the road, the median is the middle of the road. So put these numbers in order. I usually go smallest to largest. So put them in order and find the number that's in the middle. Pause your video, come back to it when you're ready. I'm starting with 37. Then I go to 39 inches. My next height would be 44 inches, 48 inches, and 54 inches. I'm going to find the middle number. You can probably just see this one, but remember if we have a big list, we can cross off one at each end until we find the number in the middle. 44 inches is the median height or the middle height. For number 4, we need to find the temperature. Circle the best answer. And remember, anytime you're looking at a thermometer or something, a measuring device of some type, you want to look at how it's laid out. So if you look at this, between 70 and 80, you know you need to have 10 divisions, same between 80 and 90. So we must be looking at these longer lines being 2s and then the smaller ones being counting by 1s. So we're going to start at 80. It's between 80 and 90, so there's no way it could be letter D. 76, 80, 82, 84, 80. Could it be 85 or 86? It would be 86. We're counting by 2s. It comes right out to that line. 82, 84, 86. For number 5, we're looking at a clock. We need to draw the hour and minute hands to show the time. It will be 20 minutes later than 6:15. So I drew a clock, and if our clock starts at 6:15, my hour hand would be pretty close to the 6 yet. 15 minutes, counting by 5s, 5, 10, 15. But we need to show on your paper 20 minutes later. So go ahead and try to do that. Move that minute hand 20 minutes. Move it in that direction, count by 5s. Okay. I'm going to erase the minute hand, and we're going to count by 5s for 20 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20. That means my hour, or my minute hand, excuse me, would be down here at the 7. My hour hand would have moved a little bit because we're past 6:30 now. What is that new time? It would be 6 because the hour hand is between 6 and 7. 6. And we count by 5s until we get to the 7. I know that this is 30 minutes, and 5 more would be 35, 6:35. So your clock should look similar to this, and the new time is 6:35. For number 6, we have 21 pennies, and we're going to share them equally between 3 children. And I think that I want to draw an array for this problem. I'm going to scoot this up, and maybe I'll go over to the side for you. I'm going to draw 3 children. I'm just going to put numbers down just to keep it organized. 3 children, and we're going to give 21 pennies out to those kids evenly until we are out of pennies. So go ahead and draw an array and come back to this when you are finished handing out those 21 pennies to 3 kids. $10, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21. So does your array look something like mine? I had no pennies left over. Everybody ended up with the exact same amount. So how many did everyone get? Each child would get 7 pennies. And how many pennies were left over? 0. We had no leftover pennies. So 7 pennies and 0 left over. Thanks for joining me.